Hi guys, today I'll show you how to cook eggs in the Instant Pot. This is one of the easiest ways to cook eggs and also easiest to peel. I'm using my Instant Pot Mini today. You can use any Instant Pot model you have. I'm going to cook 6 large eggs. You'll need the rack that came with the Instant Pot. Put the rack in. I'm going to pour in 1 cup of water with a splash of vinegar. You don't have to use vinegar, I just use it because it helps with the smell of the eggs. Gently put the eggs on the rack. With this mini model, you can fit 1 or 2 more eggs in the middle. Put the cover on. Turn the valve to sealing. Use the pressure cook button. In some models it may be the manual button, but they're the same thing. And set the time to 5 minutes. Time's up. I'll hit the cancel button. After 5 minutes, I'll release the pressure. So far it's taken 15 minutes for the unit to come up to pressure and then count down to 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now I'll release the pressure. The float valve dropped down. Now we can open the lid. I'm going to put them in a bowl of cold water for 5 minutes. I'll put a couple ice cubes in here as well. Leave them for 5 minutes and then it's going to be easy to peel. 5 minutes are up, now I can peel the eggs. That's probably the easiest time I've had peeling an egg. Give it a little squeeze. If you crack the whole egg outside, you see it comes off in one piece. This absolutely takes the frustration out of peeling eggs. 6 perfectly and easily peeled eggs. You can see it's perfectly cooked. There's no green or gray circles around the yolk. So now you know how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. 5 minutes to cook, 5 minutes natural release, and 5 minutes in cold water. It's that simple, and this is the easiest way I've found of peeling eggs. Usually when I make eggs, I boil water in a pot and put the eggs in for 10 minutes. Then put them in cold water and peel them. Even though it takes a little bit more time in the Instant Pot to cook the eggs, it's completely worth it for me because it avoids the frustration of peeling eggs. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.